Hello and welcome to Sauras's classes. Today we are going to solve one problem from Test of Mathematics at 10 plus 2 level, which is very well known by Tomato. This book is published by Indian Statistical Institution to help the students, to help the aspiring students of statistics for the entrance examination at ISI. So let's see what is in this question. Let A and B be two fixed points 3 centimeter apart, and let P be any point not collinear with A and B such that PA is equals to 2PB. The tangent at P to the circle passing through the point PA and B meets the extended line AB at K. Now we have to find the length of the segment KB and KP. This is the first portion of this problem. So let's start the solution of the first portion first. So first of all, we draw the diagram. Let these are the 2 points, which is minus a comma 0 and a comma 0, named as A and B. This is the 2 points of a circle, and this is the point P, and these are the 2 lines PA and PB, and this is the tangent which meets the extended AB at K. Now we have to find the value of KB. Okay, KB and KA, KB and KP. Or let's change the name here. Let this is A and this is B. Okay, now given by the question that AB is equals to AB is equals to 3 centimeter apart, and we can find that the AB is equals to 2A, therefore 2A is equals to 3, and let the coordinate, the point P has the coordinate h comma k. Be the coordinates of P, and given by the question that PA is equals to 2PB, right? Therefore here PA and PB are the lengths of these two straight lines, so we can find the length of PA by the distance formula, which is nothing but root over h plus a whole square plus k square, and the value of PB is nothing but equals to root over h minus a whole square plus k square. Okay, now we can write that root over h plus a whole square plus k square is equals to 2 into root over h minus a whole square plus k square, and this implies h plus a whole square plus k square is equals to 4 multiplied by h minus a whole square plus k square. Okay, so after expanding this, we get 3h square plus 3k square minus 10ha plus 3a square is equals to 0. Therefore locus of P is x square plus y square minus 10 by 3ax plus a square is equals to 0. Okay, from this equation we also evaluate this, that is x minus 5 by 3a whole square plus y square is equals to 4a by 3 whole square, which is a uh, which is the equation of a circle. Equation of a circle with center at 5a by 3 comma 0 and radius 4a by 3. Okay, now the coordinate of k are the coordinate of k is 5a by 3 comma 0. Therefore the value of kp is equals to 4a by 3, which is the radius of the circle, and the value of kb, which is ok minus ob, if the origin is named as o, therefore the value of kb is ok minus ob. Here the value of ok is 5a by 3, as the coordinate of k is 5a by 3. Therefore the length from origin to k on the x-axis is 5a by 3, and the value of ob is a. Therefore this results in 2a by 3. Okay, therefore 2 by 3 multiplied by 3 by 2, as we already get the value of a is equals to 3 by 2, therefore it results in 1 or 1 centimeter. So this is the answer of the first portion of this question. Now we have to try the next portion. Okay, let's see what is in the next portion. Hence or otherwise prove that the locus of all points P in the plane such that PA is equals to 2PB is a circle. So let's start with the section B. Let A is a point with coordinate 0, 0 and B be a point with coordinate 3, 0 and P is H, K. Therefore PA is equals to 2PB. This is a point at origin, this is point B which is 3, 0 and suppose this is point P which is H, K. Therefore PA is equals to 2PB. Hence PA, the length of PA is nothing but h square plus k square, root over h square plus k square, which is equals to 4 multiplied by PB square, which is h minus 3 whole square plus k square. Okay, so from this we get a square plus k square is equals to, sorry, here we have 2, here we have root over, then we get 4 and h minus 3 whole square plus 4k square. Hence, after solving this, we get h square plus k square minus 8h plus 12 equals to 0. Now, putting at the position of h x and at the position of k y, we get the required locus. As x square plus y square minus 8x plus 12 is equals to 0 is a circle, hence we have proved our next portion also. Okay, so that's all for today. We Resources classes provide study materials and mock test series on different ISI entrances, so you can join us. For further details, you can check our website also, which is www.sorosesclasses.com, and please subscribe our YouTube channel to get the notification first. Thank you very much.